Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to allow people to post on your Facebook page. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top panel. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Page and Tagging. Here, under Viewing and Sharing, find the option Who can post on your page. Tap on it. Select Everyone to allow anyone on or off Facebook to post content directly to your page. This means that anyone on or off Facebook can post content directly to your page. After selecting Everyone, tap Save at the bottom to apply the changes. Your Facebook page now allows visitor posts. Keep in mind that while this increases engagement, you may want to enable post reviews to moderate content before it appears on your page. To review posts before they go live, you can turn on the Review Posts by Other People Before They Appear setting in the same menu. And that's how you allow people to post on your Facebook page. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and page management tutorials. Thanks for watching.